Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing the 3-piece PEI sandwich. This one is from the Old Friend store on AliExpress, but I got this from my friend. He sent it over to me, and then I did have one myself that I got from them, but I sold that to Melanie when I sent it to her to review. She loved it a lot. But yeah, overall, I love this thing. Let me go ahead and do the sound test real quick. Yeah, so it's pretty loud, like 81 to 87. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 click, and it goes both ways, much like the 01 EDC. But yeah, but this has a middle piece that goes like between them, and not like a whole different layer, if you know what I mean. But yeah, would I get this thing if I lost it? 100%. And yeah, definitely recommend this thing. It comes with 8 balls, I believe. Yeah, and I also use this thing without the sandwich sometimes. So sometimes I just put 4 of them, put the sandwich aside. Shit. Damn it. Oh my god. This is just great. But yeah, I love this thing. And sometimes I usually use it like this, just normal 2-piece slider. And yeah, don't know what else to say about this thing, but yeah, I definitely recommend it if you guys are thinking about this. You guys will not regret it. And yeah, I carry this a lot. I carry this a lot with me in my pouch. So yeah, it doesn't really scratch or anything like that, and it's like plastic PEI, so like scratches don't mean anything. And yeah, well, that'll be all for this video. Let me go ahead and put it back together. Well, yeah, that'll be all for this video. Give this a 10 out of 10 and recommend it again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video.